my two favorite instruments that can almost get your keyboard to sound like a guitar, right? They're software instruments. This first one up is for the acoustic guitar. It's Nylon Skies from Spectrasonics, so check this out. I recommend when you're playing this, you can kind of also play types of chord shapes you'd find on the guitar, right? So things like, starting with root fifth, maybe going like root fifth, root third. Get that classic shape down here. Example with the E major. If you would add on what would happen on the B and E string, you can add that as well. A quick tip here on that type of playing, so like for example, I'm doing like root fifth with the left hand and the right hand kind of moving around that shape, which you might recognize, Brain Damage, Pink Floyd. And then for the electric guitar, I really like this one called Heavier 7-string. So my right hand, I'm playing a lot of power chords, things like that, and then the left hand, I can adjust how much palm mute is there. Those are things all kind of on the lower end, but in the higher end, it sounds nice for even doing some leads. I can use a pitch bend on this keyboard to get that noise, like mix with the pitch bend and the palm mute to get different expressive sounds to almost make it sound like guitar. Maybe not. You let me know. And it's kind of tricky for me the way I have it programmed, because right now they have like all the way at the bottom. It's like fully open, and then you bring it up for the palm mute, which I should probably figure out how to inverse that. This kind of makes more sense in my brain. Really fun stuff. Recommend checking those two out. So again, it's Nylon Skies for the acoustic guitar, and then Heavier 7-string sound like an electric guitar. And try those out. Let me know what you think. But it's fun to combine those with the playing style of the guitarist. Cheers.